Matthew Bourne, a genius.
Lifelong Matthew Bourne fan ever since seeing his groundbreaking Swan Lake, and I think he's an absolute genius.
The best thing he's ever done. It's absolutely beautiful. It's colourful, it's interesting, it's funny, it's emotional.
The costumes, the music, it's just really different and really exciting. Fantastic for young children as well. Incredibly beautiful. And it's very humbling what everyone can do with their bodies.
To top it all off, my daughter's 4 and she's here. So for a very young child to introduce them to dance, it's a great one to get into.
All my daughter keeps going is, all he wants is hands. That's all he wants. But I think it's fantastic. The storytelling is so amazing.
I love the choreography. It's not precious. It's really free and witty. It's very witty, funny. I absolutely love it.
It just makes you want to dance. So I really recommend it, you know, the music, the dancing, the staging, the creativity. It's just a perfect show.
The music is amazing, obviously, and it's the scenery, the set is like amazing.
My favourite part of it was when they did their sort of falling in love dance, and it was sort of having to avoid the knives, basically. It was a sort of feat of romantic genius.
I think he pushes all the boundaries. Everyone around me loved it. I actually could see people in my peripheral vision, like we were like getting emotional and getting like really connected to the show.
Oh, what an incredible show. I cried. Did you cry?
I cried too, a couple of times.
Yeah.
It was exhilarating, absolutely stunning. The costumes, the set, the music and the choreography was just sublime.
The wonderful thing about Matthew is that he has this incredible sense of humour as well as this great passion. And those things combined make for a great show.
It's not even just for dance fans. I think anyone who just wants to come out and have a good time should come and see this show. It's so entertaining and it just moves people, excites people, inspires people.
Absolutely loved it, honestly. That's the first thing that I've seen from Matthew Bourne, and I heard so many great things, and that was just
incredible.
Beyond, honestly.
I teared up at the end when all the snow came out and you just felt such a part of the whole evening.
As always, Matthew really is a theatrical genius. The way he can spin a story and the way it touches your heart, nothing that happens on stage is superfluous. Everything has a meaning and is so beautifully put together. It really transports you into another world.
It's a magical, wonderful dance spectacular that moves you and fills you with joy and laughter.
It's very lovely, all of us mesmerised. It's like my kids as well. It's beautiful. Definitely come and see it.
Totally transports you. I had that feeling when I was a kid. I want to lose about 3 stone. I want to join Matthew Bourne's ballet company and frankly do that. End of. That's what I'm doing. Bake Off, bye-bye, ballet, hello.